Hi there everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to create an interesting photo element that you can use on your scrapbooking layouts. Now this element is going to be a 6x4 portrait, and I'm going to include 3 small images on this portrait photo, and it just adds a little bit more interest to your layouts. So all you need to do if you want to create something like this is we're in Canva at the moment, so I'm at the home screen. And I'm going to hit create the design. So here we are in Canva, create a design, and we're going to create Instagram story. Now Instagram story size is, when you see it's in pixel, is 1080 by 1920. So we're just going to click that, and it's going to open up a new Canva page ready for us to utilize. So it's launched the page. I'm just going to increase the size of the page so we can see just a little bit better. And then I'm going to hit the design. Now, the design you want to search for in the story templates, I'm just going to hit paste because I've already saved it in my copy as a copy text. And it's called Beige Vintage Travel Instagram Story. So I'll list it in the description so you've got that as a reference. And once you've typed it in, or copied and pasted it in, just hit enter. Now it's going to bring up the template. This is the template here that we're going to use. Now to populate it into the our Canva template, you're just going to click on it, and it's automatically going to drop it into our blank story template. Now, I've got the photos here, and of course I don't want to use these photos, so I'm going to go to my uploads area, and I'm going to hit upload files. Now, I've already uploaded my photos that I want to use in this, this photo element that we're going to be creating, and there's 4 of them. So the first one is a 6x4 portrait. Now it's best to use a portrait image as your background because that sort of like relates to the dimensions of the story template. So just click on that first photo, and it's going to make sure you just drag it into the background and then just release that mouse button. And you can see it's just dropped it into the background of the templates here. So I've got the 3 smaller images now. And I think I'll just put this one in the center. So we're just going to click and drag and drop. And the top one is going to be click and drag and drop. And the bottom one here is click and drag and drop. So there's my 3 photos. This is a great way of incorporating more photos into your, whether you're doing scrapbooking layouts or junk journals or any type of project like mini albums or even folders or journal folders and things like that. It's a really good way of adding some of those extra photos that you can't normally add when you're working with some of the other sort of styles of projects. So now that I've got this complete, I don't want, obviously I want to get rid of this text, or I can replace it with some other text. Now if you want to get rid of it, just highlight the text and hit the delete button or the trash can. But I'm going to type in blue skies and clear waters, and I also want to center that text. So I'm just going to click the alignment button until you get it centered the way you want it. You can also increase the text or reduce text size by clicking the plus or the minus signs here. But I'm happy with that text size, so I'm just going to leave it as is. So that's pretty much all there is to do as far as creating the photo. Now we want to share it or download it, so we're going to hit the share button here on the right, and we're going to hit the download button. I'm just going to download it as a JPEG and then just hit download, and it's going to download it into my downloads folder. So from there, I'm going to print it on the 6x4 photo paper. So I do all my printing at home, so it's easy enough for me to just print it straight onto my printer, and then I'm good to go. I can put it on one of my layouts or onto my other projects. So there, it's a quick and easy way to sort of like create something a little bit different for your projects and layouts and such. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then just hit the like button, or you can even leave a comment, and I'd love you to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll be back with another Canva tip. Bye for now.